You can make some reusable and washable bowl covers for easy kitchen storage. You can make this with any size bowl, big or small. All you need is some fabric remnants, some bias tape, and some elastic. To start with, you are going to trace the lip of your bowl. Then you want to add 1.5 inches around the entire perimeter of your bowl. This doesn't matter what size your bowl is, whether it's big or small, just add 1.5 inches or 3 inches to the diameter. This will give the cover some seam allowance as well as a little bit of space to stretch over the side of the bowl. Now use the pattern that you made to cut out your fabric. And use single fold bias tape and sew it to the right side of, and sew it along the edge to the right side of the cover. Line up the bias tape with the edge of the bowl cover and stitch along the crease in the bias tape that's close to the edge. Then you are going to turn the bias tape over to the wrong side of the cover and stitch it down along that inner edge of the bias tape to create an elastic casing. Make sure that you do leave a small gap in the stitches at some point so that you'll be able to insert the elastic into the casing. After the bias tape casing has been sewn, then you want to use a safety pin to guide your elastic through and around that casing so that you create a domed or bubble shape. Then you'll want to sew the ends of the elastic together and then sew up that hole in the bias tape so that you seal the elastic inside. And that's it, you've finished. You have new covers that you can use in your kitchen.